If you've watched my channel before, you know I normally use Autoglym's instant tyre dressing. It's been my go-to for a long time. But today I'm putting Autoglym's high performance tyre gel to the test to see if it can actually beat my tried and tested method. Stick around to find out. Now there's also a bit of a twist with this one. I actually finished the video and gave the product a score, but after going back into the garage the next day and seeing the tyres again, I ended up revising that score. So let's see what happened. Hi all, hope you're all doing okay. In today's video I'm going to be testing out Autoglym's high performance tyre gel. Now normally, to give my tyres that gloss look, I normally use Autoglym's instant tyre dressing. Now they both say on the label that they will leave either a satin or gloss finish. But I'm excited to try out, new to me anyway, this high performance tyre gel. Now it does say make sure your tyres are clean and dry. Now I washed my car yesterday, so everything's clean and dry, so it's all ready to go. Now it does say on the instructions, apply a small amount of high performance tyre gel to a foam applicator. So to give it a fair go, I've brought the Autoglym Perfect Polish applicators. It also says if you want the satin sheen finish, you will also need a microfiber cloth. So let's open the bottle and give it a go. So because it says you can get a high gloss finish or a satin sheen finish, what I will do is give this side of the car a high gloss finish and this side of the car a satin sheen finish. And then later on in the video you can decide what looks better and let me know in the comments your thoughts. So let's start with this side of the car and give them tyres a high gloss finish. Okay, so both sides of the car have now been done. I'm going to show you both sides, high gloss finish and satin sheen finish. Then you decide what looks better and let me know in the comments. High gloss finish. Satin sheen finish. High gloss finish. Satin sheen finish. So what's my thoughts? Well, I'm going to base my scoring on the following criteria: price, ease of use and results. So regarding my criteria, and before I do the score, one part of the criteria is ease of use. If you want ease of use, I would keep with the Autoglym instant tyre dressing. It's a lot easier to use and you just squib it on. And regarding the results, in my honest opinion, I couldn't really see much difference between both products. So for me, I'm going to keep with the instant tyre dressing, but I'd like to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments. So to give it a fair score, I do like the product, but I prefer my instant tyre dressing. So I'm going to give it a solid 8 out of 10. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments. So I actually thought I'd finished this video. I'd given the tyre gel a score and wrapped everything up. But after leaving the car in the garage overnight, I went back in the next day and had another look at the tyres now they're fully dry. And they actually do look a lot better than they did when I first applied it. The finish has settled down nicely and it's given the tyres a real good look. So with that in mind, I think it's only fair that I revisit the score I gave it earlier in the video. So I'm going to give the Autoglym tyre gel a solid 9 out of 10. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you've got this far, please hit that subscribe button. It is free, it won't cost you a penny, and you get more videos like this. What's not to like? So until the next one, I'll catch you then.